Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadhvi and I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video we are going to talk about lipsticks for different moods or occasions that will suit the Indian skin tone. So I personally feel that we all have a certain lip shade or a color family for different occasions. If you're going for an Indian function, then definitely you'd love to wear some nice bright lip shades. So that way we all have certain lip shades for different moods. So in this video we are going to talk about high-end lipsticks, affordable lipsticks, matte lipsticks, long stay lipsticks, and brown lipsticks, nude lipsticks, pink lipsticks, maroon and red. So we're going to cover a lot about lipsticks in this video. So guys, we are during this time of Zoom app, either attending a business meeting or birthday or anything, and I feel the perfect kind of makeup for Zoom app is when your whole face is muted down, like you're not at all heavy on your eyes or on your base. So you can definitely opt for a nice pink and mauve shade that will brighten up your face. So my first pick from this category is from Revlon Super Lustrous range, and this is in the shade 463 Sassy Mauve. So I have to say it's highly pigmented and one swipe is enough to go. So my second pick for this category is again from Revlon Lustrous range, and now this is in the shade 450 Gentlemen Prefer Pink. Wow, I like the name, it's really catchy. Gentlemen Prefer Pink. Nice. So this looks like a nice Barbie pink color. After applying the shade, it looks quite sheer with a lilac undertone, and I feel this particular shade has a cool undertone, so this might clash with someone who has a warm undertone. So this is a tone down of the shade that I showed you earlier, and it's a really nice pretty pink color, and this is super creamy. It feels really soft. I would not say that this is super long lasting. It stays put for 2-3 hours, and if you're having meals, then it's definitely gonna fade away, and when it fades away it does not leave any patches, like it fades away very evenly. So my third pick in this category is from Maybelline, and this is in the shade 95 Blush Essence. So firstly I have to say that this smells amazing, like literally amazing. I want to eat this up right now. It's so tempting. This looks glossy but not very glossy, if this even makes sense. It's not a lipstick, it's not a gloss, it's somewhere in between. So basically what I'm trying to say is that it's not shiny as a gloss, and this particular thing makes this perfect for everyday wear. It's a really dewy look to my lips, and it keeps my lips super soft. Like this has a great hydration part, and the best part is that this does not wear off easily like other glosses. So my last pick for this category is from My Glam Lit collection, and this is the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Stargazer 02. This is a liquid matte lipstick, and this is highly pigmented. This has a super smooth application. These liquid matte lipsticks, they do not come off, they stay for a super long time. I've tried so many shades from their collection. I've tried Alpha Female, Flower Child, Stargazer. You can eat, keep on talking, do whatever you want, but these lipsticks won't come off until and unless you use a makeup remover. They are super duper long lasting. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you some shades for a date night look. So I feel nude shades fits perfectly in this category, just because you really want your eyes to do all the talking, and secondly, when a nude color fades away, it fades away in a very even manner, so you're gonna look the same like how you started and how you ended. So when you eat and like talk a lot, sometimes your lipstick starts to fade away and starts getting cracky, and I feel this is more visible when you're wearing a bright lip as compared to a nude lip. So basically the perfect kind of makeup for a date night is just go high on your eyes, go for a nice smoky eye with your entire face muted down. So my first pick in this category has to definitely be from Nykaa, and this is in the shade 12 Helena. So this is a pink nude shade with a very slight touch of brown. I extremely love the formula of this lipstick. It's super creamy and extremely comfortable on lips. It's gonna look super natural when you're wearing this lipstick, so I think this is perfect for everyday use as well. You can see that I've almost finished this lipstick. I can literally apply this for any occasion, and I'm definitely gonna repurchase it. So my next pick in this category is again from Nykaa, and this is in the shade Wake Up Makeup. This is from their Creamy Matte collection. So this is a smooth creamy texture. Again, the formula is super lightweight and hydrating, and I have to say that Nykaa has some amazing lipstick collection and they are affordable too. But I would say that they are not super long lasting. Like, they can stay put for good 3-4 hours, not more than that. Like, what more can you expect in 299? Like, this one is for 299. So I would say that this is definitely an amazing shade and it will suit all Indian skin tones. Also, before moving on to the next lipstick, I want to show you one more lipstick, and this is from Nykaa. I bought the mini version of it just because I wanted to try it. So this is in the shade 01 Bombay and it's almost over. I cannot even swatch this on my lip, but I definitely have to say that this is a pretty, really pretty brown shade. If you're looking for a brown nude, you can definitely try this out. The formula is super creamy and it's not at all drying. It's highly pigmented and this is long lasting too. So my last pick in this category is from Huda Beauty. This is the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Bombshell. Do I really need to talk about this super hyped lipstick? They are super amazing. They are highly pigmented, and I have to say that being a matte lipstick, this does not dry out the lips and it's long lasting too. So this is a brown nude, and if you're looking for a dupe, then you can definitely try this one. This is from Nykaa and this is in the shade 01 Bombay, but I would say just slightly darker than this. Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about the thing which we are always most excited about, and that is girls' day out. This is the time when you can literally pull off any color, like any color. You can opt for nice bright peppy colors. You can go for a bright pink, purple, blue, orange, literally like whatever you feel. But today I'm going to show you the shades that are quite practical and that will suit the Indian skin tone. So let's get started. So my first pick in this category is from My Glam Lit collection, and this is in the shade Alpha Female 01. Bright peppy pink color that will actually brighten up your entire face. So when you're on a girl's day out, you can literally tone down your entire face and opt for a nice bright color. So I think this shade fits perfectly in this category. This dry out to be matte, but this is not drying. Just a small tip: whenever you're wearing a matte lipstick, make sure you apply a good layer of lip balm beneath your matte lipstick so that it does not get cracky and it looks nice. So my second pick in this category is also from My Glam, and this is in the shade Stargazer 01. I'm not going to talk about the formula or anything because I've already spoken about it earlier. So as you guys can see, this is a very beautiful rusty orange color with a slight touch of brown to it that can instantly brighten up the face. So I feel this particular shade can complement any skin tone and can go for any occasion. If you feel that it's looking too bright, then just apply a nude shade on top of it and you're good to go. My last pick in this category has to be a bright red because we cannot miss out on it. So this is again from My Glam and this is in the shade Alpha Female 02. So coming to an end of this video, so these were some of the bright and light shades for different moods and occasions. Let me know if you guys want to see a separate video for nude shades. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video.